What did we just witness? What did we just see? We saw poetry in motion. What we saw was Wayne Rooney rebirth into man called a natural gar fucking natural. And my team, my team finally won a game by more than one goals. This was absolutely phenomenal. Let's go. Bless up people, what's going on? This is your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel fam. Make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe, right down there if you're brand new, completely free, economical, won't cost you a thing. Just hit subscribe. Oh, where do we begin fam? Where do we begin? I think we have to start off by saying, where did that come from? I was hoping I would get merely a 1-0 win guided through the week because, Manchester United have been playing like shit this whole season. They haven't played a good game this whole season. Yes, they scored a lot of they won a lot of games, but still 1-0. Not winning games convincingly. But today, total change. And let's talk about the first thing we saw. What the fuck did we just see? We saw the team lineup change, and with that change, brings stability in the midfield, brings stability in defense, and it also gives them pushing forward. That change was Luke Shaw and Kobe Mainoo. Now, we know that Harry Maguire and Lindelof have been playing, throughout the season so far. But when Luke Shaw came back into the team, when Kobe Mainoo made his full-time debut, his senior debut, full debut today, it shows just how well and how highly rated this man is within Manchester United and with Eric Ten Hag, because then put him, as soon as he's fit again and ready to play, then put him right in the starting lineup. Yes, Casemiro is out. Yes, Eriksen is out. And I'm about upon the bench. But this man put the 18-year-old Kobe Mainoo in the team to start as a number 6. And this fucking liquor man was killing it. Not talk about this composure in the midfield. It is desire to pick a pass well. That goal line clearance in the first half. Absolutely elated for the man, Kobe Mainoo. I'm going to tell you that at Twitter, but about a month or 2 months ago, I'm going to tell you, this man will be the next best thing coming out of Manchester United Academy. Forget about Garnachooo. This man was going to be the next best thing coming out of the Academy. And listen to me, that man, Kobe fucking Mainoo, fam. Kobe Mainoo. What the fuck did we just see? Alejandro Garnachooo. That goal in the 3rd minute of the game. That goal will be spoken about for ages. That goal will be singing the names of Garnachooo for ages. Remember when we go against Manchester City at Manchester United, and you're like, oh my God, this has been the best goal I've witnessed ever. Well, this goal at Everton, 3rd minute, was by far the best goal I have seen ever from Manchester United. Listen to me, the man, I'm shin it, and I'm boot it, I'm shinning a man, and get a connection there you will never get, and a better connection like that, brother. I was driving I was driving home from playing ball now. Me right here, also right there, watching the game from my phone. And me nearly crashed the blood clot car when the man racket it bumble and man at the top of 18-yard box. Bro. God damn it, bro. God fucking damn it, fam. God damn it. What the fuck did we just see? We saw a stable Manchester United through the ranks, with the defense, with the midfield, with the attack. We saw the patterns that Eric Ten Hag is trying to instill into the team, slowly but surely getting back into it. Yes, we don't have Martinez. Yes, we don't have Varane, which is arguably our best 2 centre-back pairing. But today, Lindelof and Maguire, They did well. They didn't have any issues. Yes, it looks like Linda was getting outmanned by Calvin Phillips, whatever boy one name, the number 9. However, we didn't have much issues, and Ghana gay with that volley at the edge of the 18-yard box, and that boy named Onana. Oh my God, what a save! It remind me of David De Gea, and I pick it out at top pins every day. Fam, that game had everything you wanted, everything you desired in one, bro. Everything you wanted, everything you desired in one. I loved it. I loved every fucking second of it, fam. Every friggin' second of it. What the fuck did we just see? We saw Eric Ten Hag being brave. He's not on the bench because he's on suspension, but we saw him and his managing team being brave. Not just saying, let me just go back to the same old, bring Amrabat in, make him play left and right, make a cardinal pass, but bringing the young the 18-year-old to show them how to play football. Now I remember about a week ago, 4 weeks ago, they took off Casemiro, took off Amrabat in one game and said, I wanted more football. And that is what this little man brings. As an 18-year-old footballer, he has the football within him. And last but not least, what the fuck did we just see? Manchester United completed a game 3-0. So we score more than one goal in a Premier League game. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? We scored more than one goal in a Premier League game. And we didn't concede any goals. Onana is now the leading clean sheet giver, clean giver, whatever you want to call him. Listen, we're on the rise. We are on the way up. We're coming for your bumbucklad. We're coming for your bumbucklad. Remember me to tell you that. Remember me to tell you that. People, thank you so much for watching. Listen, please drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. It economical. Don't cost a thing. Just drop a like on the video. Subscribe. Bless yourself. Bless up others. Manaz.